Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys can see me. It look kind of dark to me. I don't know why, and the light is like shining. I don't know. I got my light on in the car. But anyways, so this is the follow-up video. The last video that I did was the man, you guys can't even see. But this is the Gumout All-in-One fuel system cleaner that I had used. Was it yesterday? I think it was the day before yesterday, and it works amazing. Like, it works, guys. I just want to tell you guys it works. So if you notice that your vehicle is burning fuel like crazy, like burning fuel than regular, you could use it. And it's also said to use it use every 3,000 miles. So basically you could just do it after you could use it every 3,000 miles. Is basically when it's time for oil change, you could use it again. But I used it 2 days ago and it works. It works amazing, guys. It works amazing. It works. I don't have nothing bad to say about it. It works. And this was like $9 and change. I got it from Walmart. I know you guys can't even really see it because it's so dark. I need some more light. What's up? What is the area that I'm in make it look so dark, or just the camera quality just sucks? But yeah, guys, it works. It works. But yeah, my vehicle was like burning gas like crazy, and I was like, what is going on? And hey, it works. Yeah, it said improve fuel economy, maximize performance, superior deposit, remove. Oh, I got a bug in here now. It said reduce emissions, protects and lubricates. And this stuff works, guys. Improve fuel economy, restores horsepower, fights I can't even read it no more. Ethanol, that's what it said. Ethanol damage, prevent deposits, clean entire fuel system, reduce friction and wear. And it said about them use every 3,000 miles, treats up to 25 gallons. So what you guys could do is, when your vehicle is on low fuel, you could pick this up, drop this in the tank, and go to the gas station and fill up, and they'll do the job. They'll clean the whole fuel system. But this is just a follow-up video. I didn't want to hold you guys up. Man, it's dark. I didn't want to hold you guys up, but it works, guys. It works. That stuff works. This Gumout all-in-one fuel system cleaner, it works. Hands down, it works. I don't know how many times that I said that in this video, but it works, guys. It really does. I'm getting more fuel. I'm getting back my fuel mileage. I noticed it because, as I said, I did the calculations. I look at my I basically look at my my fuel range. Man, the camera blurry. All right, so right here I look at my fuel range, which I got 50 miles, and I reset my trip. When I refuel, I reset my trip to basically 0. That's what I do. And it's actually, I did the calculation, and it's about right. It's about right, guys. So that's how I know. That's how I know that I'm getting the accuracy, the accurate fuel economy, fuel consumption, that my car is burning the right fuel, because it's up to how much you run your AC, how much stops you go, how much you have the car idling as well. So all that do play a factor, but it's burning way less than how it was burning. Before that, I was burning maybe about, how much I was burning. It was awful. My vehicle, I was like, something is wrong, because there's no way that my car burning gas like that. So it was burning a lot of fuel in a little bit of time, just by me running my AC. I have my car on idling. Yeah, it's a lot of stop and go, but it was burning fuel way too fast. Like, it was not normal until I dropped that in my fuel tank. I dropped this in my fuel tank 2 days ago. It wasn't yesterday. It was the day before yesterday, about that. And I noticed the same day I dropped it in, because I think I was doing some delivery, and I noticed, I was like, yo, it's not dropping, my needle is not moving. And when I did the calculation, everything adding up, and I was like, okay, I'm back. It's back to normal. I know I do need an oil change, but I use full synthetic, and I usually run it up to about 9,000 miles and some change, because I use advanced full synthetic motor oil. And I know that I have some more. I could run it even longer. Let me see how much more that I have. Show you guys. Yeah, 6,817 miles. 6,008. So 6, 7, 8, 9. I got about 3 more thousand miles. I could run my car. I could run my car without changing my oil, due to the fact that I use full synthetic. So that's a plus. But I will be changing my oil when it hit like around 9,000, maybe 9,500. I'll change it, because as I said, it's pointless to use full synthetic and you're gonna try to change your oil 3,000 miles. That don't make no sense. You only change your oil when you use conventional oil. You know, you don't want to run your car too long, running on 3,000 miles. After 3,000 miles, or when it hit 3,000 miles, change it as soon as possible. But the Gumout Carbon Clear, the Gumout all-in-one fuel system cleaner really works, and I'm gonna continue using this gas treatment. I'm not gonna use it often like that, but maybe 2 times, maybe about 2 times a year, I'll use it. You know, 2, 3 times a year. You know, I'll probably use it, but it said every 3,000 miles, so I'll probably use it again in a couple months down, because you don't have to use it every time. You know, you don't really have to use it like that, because it's every 3,000 miles. Or if you want to do it, you could do it every oil change, if you want to do it like that. But you don't have to waste your money. Use it once you see that it works, keep on doing what you're doing. You don't have to spend your money like that. But it works. Just want to let you guys know, this stuff, it works. It really does. And I want to cut it right here. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and the support. You know, thank God for life. God bless. If you have any problems with your vehicle, which is you notice that your vehicle is burning fuel like crazy, and hey, try this product and see how it works. I know everybody's situation is really different, which is true, which is correct. You know, everybody's situation is different, but you just never know. Pick this stuff up, test it out, try it out. The cheapest place you could get this stuff is at Walmart. You could buy it online. You could get it in stores. Do not try to go to no auto store to pick this stuff up. You're gonna be paying a higher price than a Walmart price. But that's all I gotta that's all I got for today. This is the follow-up video, and I just want to let you guys know that it works. It works for me. It may work for you. You know, everybody, as I said, everybody's situation is different. They have different ways that your car could burn gas. Some people probably car need to tune up, probably need to change their spark plugs. It is different scenarios that your vehicle could burn gas. So, but the cheapest thing that you could do is pick one of these up and try it, and you know, it might start running smooth. You know, you change your oil, be back on the road feeling good. Car happy, you happy. You happy, the car happy, you know. But yeah, peace out, bye bye, take care, God bless, and I'm out of here, guys. But it does work. It really works. It works. And as I said, if it works for me, it worked for you. Peace.